Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Have you ever watched your favorite cartoon and wondered, how did they make that? Or, where did cartoons even come from? Well, get ready. Because today we're going on an awesome adventure through time to discover the super cool history of cartoon animation. First, let's talk about what animation actually is. Imagine you draw a little stick figure. Now, draw it again, but make its arm move just a tiny bit. Then draw it again, arm moving a tiny bit more. If you flip through those pictures really fast, what happens? Ta-da! It looks like your stick figure is moving. That's the secret to animation. It's making lots of still pictures, called frames, move super fast to create the illusion of motion. Now, way back, even before your grandparents were born, people were trying to make pictures move. They used special toys like the zoopraxiscope and the praxinoscope. These weren't cartoons like we know them today, but they were the first tiny steps towards bringing drawings to life. It was like a magic trick with pictures. The very first real cartoons started appearing around 100 years ago. One of the very first cartoon characters was a friendly dinosaur named Gertie. Then, in the 1920s, a super popular cat named Felix the cat came along. He was one of the first cartoon stars. These early cartoons were usually black and white, and they often didn't have much sound, just some music. Imagine watching a cartoon without hearing the characters talk. But then, something big happened. A man named Walt Disney and his amazing team came along. They wanted to make cartoons even better. In 1928, they made a cartoon called Steamboat Willie, and it was special because it had synchronized sound. That means the music and sound effects matched exactly what was happening on screen. It was a game changer. Then, in 1937, Disney did something truly incredible. They made the very first full-length animated movie, Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs. It took thousands of drawings and a super long time to make. But it showed the world that cartoons could tell big, amazing stories, just like live-action movies. This time was called the Golden Age of animation. After Snow White, other studios started making awesome cartoons too. Warner Bros. Gave us crazy characters like Bugs Bunny and Daffy Duck in Looney Tunes, and MGM made the hilarious chase cartoons, Tom and Jerry, where a cat and mouse were always trying to outsmart each other. These cartoons were known for their silly humor, fast action, and sometimes a little bit of cartoon mischief. As time went on, cartoons moved from the movie theater right into our living rooms on TV. Shows like The Flintstones and The Jetsons became super popular. Then, something even more amazing happened. Computers. Artists started using computers to draw and animate. This is called CGI, or computer-generated imagery. Movies like Toy Story were made entirely with computers. This allowed animators to create incredible new worlds and characters that look more real than ever before. Today, cartoons are everywhere. From funny shows on TV to amazing animated movies, and even short cartoons on your tablets and phones. Artists are still drawing, but they also use powerful computers to bring their ideas to life. There are so many different styles and stories, all thanks to those first wobbly lines and early experiments. So, the next time you watch your favorite cartoon, remember the incredible journey it took to get there. From simple flipbooks to amazing computer graphics, the history of animation is a story of creativity, hard work, and a whole lot of fun. Thanks for joining me on this cartoon adventure. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and let me know in the comments what your favorite cartoon is. See you next time.